A powerful new AI tool just dropped, and it is helping people make $598 per day effortlessly. And this tool combined with Google is creating a massive income money-making opportunity that most people do not know about yet. If you follow along this step-by-step tutorial, by the end of this video, you will discover a cash-generating loophole that can pay you at least $5,000 per week. The tool I'm talking about is DeepSeek. DeepSeek AI just exploded into the scene, and it is already shaking the AI world like never before. It is smarter, faster, and more powerful than any AI tool ever released. People are already making serious amounts of money with this, and if you combine this with Google, the earning potential is just insane. Step 1, you need to go over to Google and search for Google Book Partner Center, and I will leave the link to every tool that I mentioned in this video down in the description box. Once you do that, you want to click on this first link and it will open up this page. What people don't know is that Google has its own publishing site, and it's a big competitor to Amazon. A lot of people do not know about Google Book, meaning it is not saturated, and Google will be pushing out sellers' book for more exposure. Comment the word new down in the comment section if this is your first time hearing about Google Book. So if you are new to the online side hustle, this might be the opportunity you need to get in the bag. But if you are wondering, Diana, why should I even sell my book on Google? Think about it for a moment. Google is the #1 search engine in the world. Who else can compete with that when it comes to driving traffic to your book? As you can see here, why publish on Google? It is accessible to 75 countries in the world. This means that the opportunity is open to everyone. And I see a lot of you have been asking for method that lets you make money without any location barrier. This is literally it. Every single one of you that have access to a Gmail account automatically have access to Google Book. They have over 3 billion people using Google. That is 3 billion chances for you to sell your ebook every single day. And with the method I'm going to show you in this 10 minutes video, is going to boost how much you can make on Google with 4 simple steps. You can get everything set up and start making money right now. 1. Create your account. 2. Publish your book. 3. Promote your book. And 4. Start earning money. And if we open Google Book sites, you can see that people who are moving really fast has already started taking advantage of this opportunity. However, the number of books that is published here is still low compared to that of Amazon. And considering the massive amount of traffic that you can get from Google, the potential to get your book in front of people that is actually searching for it is huge. People are already making money with Google Book, and like I said, I'm going to show you how to use this particular tool to fast track your process. The first thing you need to do is to click on Get Started, and once that is open, what you need to do next is to create a payment profile. Once you click that, you are going to add your bank details to receive payment and then set up your preferred currency. The next phase is to link your bank account. So you do not need Payoneer account, Wise, or PayPal, because Google actually pay you directly to your bank account. Finally, you need to add your tax information, and don't worry, it doesn't have to be a US tax information. If you are outside the US, you can actually fill a non-US resident form. What Google is doing here is actually making sure that this opportunity is open worldwide. And once you have entered all the details, you are ready to upload your book. Now, don't let the word book intimidate you, because I've got you covered. Like I said, I'm going to show you an AI tool that will do all of the hard work for you. This tool will generate a high-quality, well-researched book that reads like it was written by an experienced author, even if you've never written a single book in your life. Lately, this tool, DeepSeek AI, has been stirring up a lot of controversy on the internet, both positive and negative. If you search for DeepSeek AI right now, you will see a ton of videos, people discussing what it is, and some people calling it the GOAT compared to ChatGPT. The hype is unreal and it is spreading like wildfire. It reminds me of the outbreak that happened during COVID, when everybody is just talking about COVID, like what's happening, how we're going to survive. That is the same thing that is happening right now with DeepSeek AI. These two will give me hot and trending topics that are very popular around the globe. So I can come over to this tool right now and ask this tool to give me topics that are trending right now that are related to financial world, AI, fitness, and other trending news. And DeepSeek will start writing the hot and trending topics in the niche I mentioned. Then I asked, what topics can I create books for that will sell on Google Books based on this trend? DeepSeek came up with these amazing ideas. Cryptocurrency for beginners. It even gave us a title idea for the book. Title example, Crypto 101, a beginner's guide to understanding and investing in digital currencies. And then this one, Stock Market Survival Guide, title example, Market Volatility Playbook: How to Thrive in Uncertain Times. And in the AI niche, we have AI for small businesses. Example title it gave is AI for Entrepreneurs: How to Leverage Artificial Intelligence to Grow Your Business. Okay, in the fitness and wellness niche, we have this: Mental Health and Fitness. Title example: Mind over Muscle: The Connection Between Mental Health and Physical Fitness. So DeepSeek just reviewed the hottest gist flying around the world, and then a book idea and a title to go along with it is just crazy. For me, I will focus on mental health because I've seen how this topic has been trending. More people are getting aware of their mental well-being, making it a hot topic with growing demand. But instead of going broad, I will narrow it down to a specific sub-niche so I can target a particular group of people rather than trying to appeal to everyone. That way, I can create content that truly aligns with the right audience and create more value. Now, I will ask DeepSeek to give me a sub-niche for a mental health niche, and DeepSeek does this thing again with all this niche. Now, see what it says here. The mental health niche is vast, but focusing on a sub-niche allows you to address a specific issue and connect deeply with your target audience. Here are some compelling sub-niche within the mental health space. This is exactly what I was trying to say a moment ago. So the idea it suggests here is mental health for entrepreneurs and business owners, mental health for teen and young adults, mental health for men, and mental health for new parents, and the list goes on. These are sub-niches that the average person will not think right away unless they really dig deep. But DeepSeek AI gave us all this idea in a matter of seconds. I know a popular quote by Harvey S. Firestone. It says, "Capital isn't so important in business. Experience isn't so important. You can get both these things. What is important is ideas." These aren't just ideas, they have the potential to change your life with a strategy I'm about to show you on how to monetize them. So the next big step is creating the book so you can upload it on Google Book and start making money. If this video has been valuable to you, please go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure to turn on the post notification bell so YouTube sends you a notification each time I publish new video. This way you won't miss out on any information. Now I will copy the mental health for single parents title and then paste it on DeepSeek and ask DeepSeek to write an outline for this topic. Then click enter. And DeepSeek has given us the outline for this ebook and all of these 16 chapters. Now I will paste this particular prompt inside DeepSeek to guide it on how to write and structure the ebook. So I will also share the prompt with you in the description so you can easily copy it and use it on DeepSeek. So now I will hit enter, and DeepSeek has started creating the entire ebook content that we are going to sell on Google Book. After DeepSeek finished writing the ebook, you can read through it and see if there's any word you want to change or add to it. This is really hooking. The introduction about Sarah, a single mom of two, working 9 to 5 with school runs and all of that busy life of a mom, it just makes this ebook kind of really relatable. It wrote about the purpose of the book, who the book is for, and then the chapter begins. So I will copy the title, then open up Google Doc and paste it here, then head back and copy the entire content and head back to Google Doc, paste it in here and start formatting it for my ebook. When you are done, click on File, then Download, and download as a PDF, and immediately it will download the file. And if I click on it, you can see the first page and all other pages right at the side. It has literally everything a book needs to sell on Google. So now that you have your PDF ready, open up Canva to download a cover. So just type in the word ebook cover right here, then search, and you will see thousands of ebook cover templates that are ready to use. If I pick this one, for example, I can customize and change the title, the author name. I can change the font to a different style, and when I'm done, all I have to do is click on share button and then click on download, and this will be downloaded to my computer. Now we are ready for the next step, which is to publish your book on Google Books. Once you have that download, then you are going to head over back to Google Book and upload it. So it is important to know that when selling through Google Play Book, Google Play is going to take out 30% commission from each of your sale, which is the same as Amazon commission. Google operates in over 60 countries and dominates the search engine space, making it a powerful marketplace for digital books. This commission might seem high, but in exchange, you gain access to a massive global audience and the exceptional discoverability that comes with being part of Google's ecosystem. Now, the next step is monetization. How do you get people to start buying your book? One of the most effective ways to drive traffic and sales is through blog posts. By creating content around your book, you can attract people who are already interested in what you are offering, then direct the reader to your Google Play listing. Now, the tool that will help us generate SEO blog that will rank high on Google is SEO Writing AI. So use the link down in the description to get to this tool. So click on the one-click blog post, then it will open this page here. In this space, you need to add your keyword. Go back to DeepSeek, copy your keyword, then paste it here. Then here you need your title. Again, go back to DeepSeek, copy your title, and paste it here. Then click on generate, and this tool will generate a new title for your blog. This is an SEO optimized title to help you rank high on Google. Then down here, you are going to leave this as English, obviously, then select small for the article size. Then for the tone of voice, I will pick inspiration for this blog. Then for the AI model, select GPT-40, change this text readability to 6th grade. And for this AI content cleaning, make sure you select the last one. This is going to make it create a blog that does not have any trace of AI in it. Otherwise, the platform where we are going to host your blog might take it down. This is why this SEO Writing AI is the best compared to others. It is free to use, so I will leave the link to these tools and other AI tools mentioned in the video description box below. And then skip all of this until you get to this part, which says NLP keyword generation. If you click on this, it will automatically take keywords that this tool is going to add into your blog post. This is going to make you rank even higher on Google, so make sure to click on that and turn it on. So once you have done all of this, you can simply scroll back up and click on Run. And this tool will start creating an SEO optimized blog post for you in a matter of minutes. All you have to do from here is just get a cold drink, relax, and wait for this AI tool to generate your content for you. Once it's done, you are going to see this green flash right here. Click on it and it's going to open the blog post. And if I scroll around this blog post right now, you're going to see that this is a complete blog post that this AI tool generated without you typing a single word. It's also added pictures to make the blog post visually appealing. We have the title of our blog post. It also added this key takeaway section, and here we can see that it's also added action for single parents to know the next step to take to help them. Coping strategies to manage single parenting stress. All of this is just so beautiful. This looks so professionally written. This is a fully completed blog post for you to go ahead and post on a platform that bring in millions of visitors per month. This website is called Medium. Now, this website will give you more free traffic, so whenever people read your blog post, you get paid. That is an extra income apart from the Google book you are trying to promote on Medium. So what you want to do now is open up medium.com. Once you're on medium.com, you want to click on this pen icon here, which should take you to where you can start writing your blog. So the first thing you want to add is your title. You go back to the blog post, copy your title, and then paste it here. And here where it says tell your story, you just want to go back to SEO Writing AI, copy your text, then go back to medium.com and paste your text here. Then to add the image generated by SEO Writing AI, you just simply need to double click on it and save this to your computer. Then you go back to medium.com, click on this plus and select the image icon. You can then just find the image you saved on your computer and immediately it will be added into Medium. Then you just want to go back, repeat the steps by adding all the text and add the necessary images. As soon as you are done copying and pasting the entire article on Medium, then you want to start adding a call to action, which is going to sell your book. So for example, you can leave a space here and write something like boost your mental well-being, get the ebook now, and write download here. Then you want to highlight this and add the link to your Google book. So I will just add this link for the sake of this video, and if I overrun this, you will see that the link is active. Next, at the end of the blog post, you want to do the same thing. So I'm going to add a more bold call to action. So I'm going to say something like, struggling with the stress of being a single parent, you're not alone. My ebook, Solo and Strong, Mental Health for Single Parents, is packed with practical strategies, mindset shifts, and self-care tips to help you navigate single parenthood while prioritizing your mental health. Grab your copy today and start creating a healthier, happier life for you and your child. Then here I will say, click here to download now and add a freebie because people love gifts. Like for example, bonus, get exclusive access to a free self-care planner when you purchase. And then I will add the link of my Google book right here. So if I hover around this text, you will see it is active. then I hit publish. If someone actually finds my blog post on Medium, goes through it, reads the blog post, and they are ready to take action, they are going to buy my ebook guide from Google Book. So what I just showed you now is another way that you can pull traffic into your book. So if people go over to Google and search for any keyword related to your book, Google is still going to show them your book and they are going to click on it and you make money. This is giving you two heavy traffic sources for your book. Another way to effectively promote your book to a wider audience and earn at least $500 per day is by utilizing Pinterest. Many people don't realize this, but Pinterest is just like Google. It's a powerful search engine, not just a social media platform. People go there to search for solutions, whether it's about finance, self-improvement, fitness, or any trending topic. Here's how it works. When you create high caching pin related to your book topic, people who are searching for this particular topic will find your pin, and when they click on that pin, it will take them to your blog post. That blog post will let them learn more and encourage them to click on your book link, which leads to more sales. This strategy helps you drive traffic consistently without spending money on ads, making it one of the best free promotion methods available. And you can also direct people straight to your Google Bookstore without even directing them to your blog post. You can do this by simply creating a pin that looks just like this, then add the link to your Google Book right inside of Pinterest. So when someone sees this pin, they can move directly to your Google Bookstore. You can simply create this type of pin on Canva by simply searching for Pinterest pin, and you will see a bunch of templates that you can easily just customize and start posting on Pinterest. Pinterest sees approximately 445 million monthly active users, which translates to roughly 14.8 million daily. This is a huge opportunity that can start paying you right away. And with AI, it is unbelievably easy to make money in 2025. All you need is one AI tool to create high-quality book, write engaging blog posts, and post them on Medium while promoting them on Pinterest. This simple yet powerful strategy can generate anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day if done right. This is a huge opportunity that can start paying you right away, and with AI, it is unbelievably easy to make money in 2025. So I urge you to take action now and start building your path to financial freedom. If you think that AI has the potential to give you the financial stability that you have been praying for, then comment the word financial freedom down in the comment section so we can start manifesting this into existence. I just handed you the exact tool to level up your life, but if you need an opportunity that can make you up to $10,000 by Valentine's Day or any other seasonal celebration, then this is the video you want to see. Click on it and I will see you right there.